Yo, welcome back to another YouTube video. We're back at it again. I hope you guys enjoyed the party. It's even the curry goat, even though Dre kind of burned up the rice.
The rice, Dre. Welcome the rice.
But we don't have to worry about that. Today what we're actually going to be doing is Yazid. Gun range, gun permit. We're actually here at the location right now. Quick video, so I'll show you some clips.
Something to walk that walk, mate. Something to walk that walk, mate.
Alright guys, so right here we actually entered the gun range, and he's actually just showing me how to set my target up on the board right here. Alright, so today I actually shot some 22 rounds. So he's actually just showing me how the clip works. You have to pull down the thing at the side, slide the bullets in through the top.
So when you move it until it's lined back up, as long as they're lined up, every single time you'll keep hitting it over and over and over again. So that's the most.
People, but inside these group of people, there's a Johnny. Look at him, standing there, hip popping. Oh, look like a kid on the first day of school, bringing his paper to the teacher. It's adorable. Anyway, right now he's getting his papers notarized. We just finished shooting, getting into it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm not really doing the outro, just talking.
So instead of you buying one copy, you gotta get two copies of everything because you can record it too. Without the stakes,
Johnny's next to a killer.
Go to Florida.
Yeah. Spilling the break from the instructors himself, Kimon and his tall friend.
You need to get all the footage. You see, so yo, you just saw it a while ago from your own eyes, I mean from the camera lens. Just came from the range. Sharpshooter actually just got a call from the president, why declined. You see me? Only headshots here. Only headshots. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. You see me? Just a lifestyle channel. See you next video. Boop, boop.